today. So आज के वीडियो के लिए I am super duper excited because ये कोई एक normal वीडियो नहीं है. आज मैं आपके साथ में शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक vlog kind of video. Yes guys, so today I am going to attend one event. मैं जा रही हूँ outfit change करने और आपको मैं मिलूंगी in the car और in the event directly. तो चलो let's get started.
Alright guys, so here I have reached the venue, Delhi Technological University, and here I have been invited to attend the Garnier Green Science College activation. So let's come inside and see what's it all about. So I really loved the overall setup. So first of all, I went to get the iodine test, which I was very excited about. So I saw how one single drop of Garnier vitamin C serum can neutralize the iodine solution, and here it is, you guys. As you can see, it is all neutralized. Then I went to the Garnier micellar water section और यहाँ पर मैंने टेस्ट आउट किया. मेरे कुछ लिपस्टिक्स के स्टेन्स थे मेरे हैंड पे, तो सिंगल ड्रॉप ऑफ micellar water कैन वाइप ऑफ माई लिपस्टिक स्टेन्स. ओके, देन जो मैंने गार्नियर का विटामिन सी सीरम ट्राई किया ना, आई वॉज लिटरली अमेज्ड विद इट्स कंसिस्टेंसी. Then we went to the Garnier men's section. How can we forget our men's section? तो यहाँ पर मेरे ब्रदर ने जो है Garnier का सीरम भी ट्राई किया अपने लिए, and he literally loved it. Then I played this game. I really enjoyed this game and had fun. And then I went to the Garnier selfie booth और photograph corner. तो यहाँ पर मैंने अपने काफ़ी सारे photographs भी click करवाए. And then I went to this Garnier micellar water orange test again. I was literally impressed by this experiment. Then it is a snack time. तो मैंने लिए कुछ popcorns and I had fun snacking them. After that, I met some of my cute subscribers over there, and I explained them the importance of using Garnier vitamin C serum, how it can remove your dark spots and it will give you the clearer skin. I recommended them to use Garnier vitamin C serum daily and include in your skincare routine to fade away your dark spots and bring back your glowing skin. Now it's the time for the most exciting part. I went for the coloring of my hair. तो अभी मैंने जो है Garnier virtual try on tool में ट्राई करके देखा that which shade suit me, और मैंने जो है एक शेड को सिलेक्ट करा. Then after that I went to the color section और वहाँ पर जो है मैंने अपने हेयर को कलर भी कराया. I had so much fun. I just tried 7.2 कलर फॉर माई हेयर एंड उन्होंने जो है मेरे हेयर पे स्ट्रिक्स दिए एंड जो फाइन हेयर होते हैं उनको हाईलाइट भी किया, एंड आई रियली एन्जॉयड दिस होल प्रोसेस. एंड आफ्टर दैट, इसके बाद में आप जो है मेरा आफ्टर रिजल्ट देखना. यू विल बी अमेज्ड एंड सुपर डुपर हैप्पी जस्ट लाइक मी. So guys, here is my final color payoff, and I'm literally very happy and excited to see my color, and it gives me the total new vibes, isn't it?
First of all, we have a special gift for you. लेकिन उससे पहले अब एक चीज बताइए कि आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा Garnier Green Science School के साथ?
I had a wonderful experience here.
Garnier product.
Vitamin C serum.
पीछे इतना बेहतर क्यों लगता है आपको?
Its consistency is very lightweight. It penetrates under the skin and also takes away the dark spots.
Then we have a special gift for you that I have already given you, and thank you so much for being here at Garnier Green Science. So thank you so much. Thank you.
And here in the end, I am writing some good words for Garnier to thank them all. I had so much fun here in the Garnier Green Science event. Thank you so much Garnier for inviting me in this event. And here is the goodie box that I got from the event. It has all my favorite products. So see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.